Hello guys, this is a quick review of one of my favorite perfume from Chanel. It's a Chanel Chance EDT. And they said it's Chanel Chance You Tendre. Tendre or Tender, whatever. Correct me guys, just comment down below. My God, may extra na naman. Chanel! Oh, kanino pala to? Well, her name is Chanel with an S. So it's not C for Chanel, but S for Chanel, SH. Okay, baby, diyan ka lang ha. Be a good girl. Right, so as you can see, kapag favorite ko, may mga stock ako, di ba? Kaya lang, dalawang lang stock ko niya kasi napakamahal. This is my favorite for how many years already? So, I'm not even sure kung pang ilang bottles ko na ito. Guys, this is 100 mils. Okay? And then online, you can buy 150 mils. Napakamahal na po siya ngayon. It's so expensive for me ha. Kaya ginagamit ko na lang ito pag talagang may mga special occasion. Minsan, if I want to treat myself kasi gusto ko rin yung minahamoy ako mabango, I use this in work. And just ko, paggamit ko to sa trabaho, halos lahat nakakapansin. Kasi ang bango talaga nito eh. Ano siya, very light and luxurious. And paano ko ba ma-explain? Sabi dito, vaporizer spray. Pasensya na lang guys, I'm not really good on explaining on type of scent. But you all know me. Gusto ko yung mga fresh ang amoy, very light and luxurious. Flowery, powdery, yan yung mga favorite ko eh. But I'm not good in explaining perfumes really. Kaya I'm really sorry. But then anyway, ang ratings ko rito is 10 over 10. Hanggang ngayon favorite ko pa rin ito. And I think this is everyone's favorite anyway. Yun lang guys. So, please like, subscribe, and comment down below on my YouTube channel. It's Marcelita from UK. God bless you all.